The Roman Empire's road network began as a strategic vision to unify and control vast territories. Emperor Augustus and his successors prioritized roads for rapid military movement and administrative efficiency. By 200 CE, over 80,000 kilometers of roads connected Rome to its provinces. These roads were planned with precision, often straight paths to minimize travel time. Engineers used advanced tools like the groma for alignment, ensuring durability. This infrastructure became the backbone of Roman power, enabling conquests and governance. The Via Appia, Rome's first major road, showcased revolutionary engineering. Constructed in 312 BCE, it featured 4 layers: statumen, foundation stones; rudis, crushed gravel; nucleus, cement mix; and summa crusta, flat paving stones. Surveyors used the groma, a cross-shaped instrument, to align roads perfectly straight. Ditches flanked the roads for drainage, preventing erosion. These techniques ensured roads lasted centuries, some still visible today. The Via Appia set the standard for all future Roman roads. Roman roads were vital for military dominance. Legions could march 30 kilometers daily, thanks to smooth, well-maintained paths. The roads allowed rapid deployment to quell rebellions or defend borders. Supply carts followed, carrying weapons, food, and medical supplies. Each legion carried its aquila, eagle standard, a symbol of pride and unity. This mobility gave Rome an edge over adversaries, securing its empire for centuries. The roads also facilitated the spread of military innovations and tactics. Roman roads fueled economic prosperity by connecting markets across the empire. Merchants transported olive oil from Hispania, wine from Gaul, and grain from Egypt. Inns and markets sprang up along routes, creating bustling trade hubs. A single road could see 10,000 carts annually, transporting goods worth millions of sesterces. This network reduced costs and increased accessibility, integrating diverse regions into a single economy. The roads were the lifeline of Roman commerce, fostering wealth and cultural exchange. The Cursus Publicus, Rome's state courier system, relied on roads for swift communication. Messengers, cursors, carried letters and decrees across the empire, changing horses at mansions, way stations, every 20 to 30 kilometers. This system ensured urgent news like invasions or imperial successions reached Rome in days. Relay stations also provided fresh horses and lodging, maintaining efficiency. The Cursus Publicus was so effective that medieval kingdoms later adopted its model. It exemplified Rome's logistical brilliance. Roman roads featured amenities for travelers, including tabernae, inns, and milestones. Inns offered food, shelter, and stables, though their quality varied. Milestones, inscribed with distances to Rome, guided travelers and reinforced imperial presence. A typical milestone read, "To Rome, 200 miles." These markers also displayed the emperor's name, reminding users of Rome's reach. Such infrastructure made long-distance travel safer and more predictable, encouraging movement across the empire. Roman roads were conduits for cultural exchange, blending Latin, Greek, and local traditions. Soldiers, merchants, and migrants shared languages, religions, and customs along these routes. For example, Mithraism, a Persian cult, spread via legionaries stationed in the east. Roads also carried Roman law, architecture, and Latin, unifying the empire's identity. This integration was voluntary in many cases, as provinces adopted Roman ways for social and economic advantage. The roads thus built an empire of shared culture, not just territory. As Rome declined in the 4th–5th centuries, so did its roads. Fiscal crises and invasions diverted resources from maintenance. Pavements cracked, and sections were overgrown. Bandits exploited the lack of patrols, making travel hazardous. The once bustling mansions fell into ruin. This decay mirrored the empire's fragmentation. Roads that had unified Rome now symbolized its collapse. Yet, even in disrepair, they remained usable, a testament to their original quality and design. Roman roads outlasted the empire, serving medieval pilgrims, traders, and armies. Routes like the Via Francigena guided pilgrims to Rome. Many modern European highways, such as Italy's SS7, follow ancient Roman paths. The road's durability astounded later engineers. Some segments required minimal repair after 1,000 years. This longevity reflects Rome's engineering philosophy: build to endure. The roads became a physical legacy, shaping Europe's infrastructure long after Rome's fall. Today, Roman roads influence modern transportation. GPS studies reveal that major European highways often overlay ancient routes. The Appian Way's path, for instance, aligns with Italy's modern SS7. Engineers still admire Roman techniques like subsurface drainage and layered construction. These roads remind us that infrastructure is more than utility. It's a civilization's enduring imprint. Rome's network, built for conquest, became a gift to posterity, linking past and present.